Hello friends, we have got some really intense lighting happening today. It's a never-ending saga in this house, I think. But today I wanted to show you the project bags that I have in the web shop. And we're starting off with the first original one that I made a few years back. It's the Dollar Horse project bags. Has a handle as well. Now these are one of two that don't have my logo on them, but I doubt that is going to be a deal breaker for you. Could add one if you really want one. They are lined with white Dollar Horse fabric as well. I have a bunch of those in the web shop. I have got, this is the second one that does not have my logo on it. That's the handle, and this I got two of these left, I think. And these are upcycled jeans that I made into project bags. Here's the back side, and this pocket is of course fully functional. And this one was lined with the blue fabric. I don't know if you can see that there. And it's just a simple bag. I haven't made any pockets or anything inside because I don't know, I found that I don't really use them. If I have knickknacks, you know, measuring tapes or whatever, I generally put them in a smaller pouch and I just move them between. So I haven't made pockets in those. Now here's a favorite of mine. The mermaids on the seahorses, also with a handle. These do have the logo. I really like these. It's one of my favorites. I'm using one of these myself for makeup, which you can of course do as well. You don't have to use it as a project bag. They're absolutely fine to use for bathroom paraphernalia, makeup, what have you. One of my kids has their loom, you know, those tiny little rubber rabbit bands that you can make like bracelets and stuff of. They use one for that. Here's one for all you cat people. Kitties. It does have a flat bottom, so it stands up, and I have lined them all but the Dollar Horse ones. They're a bit softer. All the other ones are steady enough to stand on their own. Now it's kind of hard to balance it. But they're lined quite thickly. This has just a beige inside. I usually go, aside from the Dollar Horse project bags, I usually go for a just a one color lining for them, just to make it easier to see what's inside. And for you dog lovers, I got something for you too. How cute is that? I love this one. I'm a good boy. Well, ain't all dogs. They're all good boys. This also has the light beige lining. And then another favorite of mine. Well, who am I kidding? They're all favorites of mine. Here is, I love this one. I have a thing for leaves, and you know, these colors just it's amazing. I love this one so much. I do of course have one myself. Let's see. And this is lined with, oh, can you see that? There we go. Like an emerald green fabric. And here's one that I made, I made this for Valentine's a couple of years ago. And I still have a few left of that one. With all the hearts. Like so. And this one is lined with a white fabric. I think this one's really cute. Now here's one I think you've seen before. The cherries. And this one has a red lining, of course. It is, after all, cherries. I think, oh yeah, I think I showed this one when I did the stitch marker highlight, because I do have cherry stitch markers as well. And here's a fabric that I've had in my stash for the longest time, and I've been planning on making project bags of it. And I had this pre-war, Ukrainian war, so it was not something I got for that. I had it at least 2 years before. I just love this fabric. I love the sunflowers. I used to have sunflowers in the garden as well. The bees love them. This has a brown fabric, like so. And final one. Do you recognize the fabric? That's right. It is Barbie inspired. I found this on Spoonflower, the fabric, and I just absolutely loved it. And of course, with the Barbie movie being released last year, was it? Yeah. I just had to make some Barbie inspired project bags. And this one is lined with pink, of course. So yeah, that's it. That is all of the different project bags I have in the web shop right now. There will be more eventually. There's fabric waiting for me to turn them into project bags. I just need to find the time for it. And but yeah, I hope you find something you like. And again, do sign up for the newsletter. There will be discounts and stuffs over there. If you go to the website, I will leave the link below. There should be a pop-up where you can sign up for the newsletter, and if it doesn't turn up, you can just scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will find it there. So that's it for this week's highlights from the web shop. I hope you find something you like, something that inspires you. Maybe you make your own project bags. If not, I do have quite a few to choose from if you want to do that. So yeah, that's it for this week, and I'll see you soon. Bye!